Let's start with chapter number 8, national income. Marks weighted nearly 6 by 80, that is 7.5% for HSC standard 12th. एग्जाम में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय नेशनल इनकम. नेशनल इनकम से आप क्या समझते हैं? NI, national income. National income refers to total money value of final goods and services produced in the country during a period of time, usually 1 year. क्या है? total money value किसकी? of goods and services जो कि प्रोड्यूस हुए, टोटल मनी वैल्यू ऑफ फाइनल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज produced in a country during 1 year. Okay, so total national income क्या है? Total money value of final goods and services produced in a country during a period of time, usually 1 year. National income includes net income from abroad. बाहर से जो net income है, it includes net income from abroad, but it excludes depreciation. Exclude करता है depreciation. In India since 1955, CSO, Central Statistical Organization, is responsible to calculate national income. National income calculate करने की जिम्मेदारी किसकी? Central Statistical Organization की. ये था what do you mean by national income. एग्जाम में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन. We are doing chapter number 8, national income.